So I'm going to open it for the first time.
You can cancel it now.
Okay, I'm going to. Right. Prefer your friends and then rewards. So got that. Spinach and pie. Ooh. So it's got the instructions how to cook them. Instructions how to cook. That's handy. Right, so let's have a look. Little pots, a big flavour. So each red lentil curry, whatever that's called, spinach and paneer, and vegetable stew. Oh, what a clever little idea. So each one's got the flavour packets in, and so you add those flavours to the meal. So you basically, you buy the few ingredients that you need, and then you add these flavours to it. What a wonderful idea.